guys, welcome to another vlog. I am doing a cleaning and organizing video today. I'm trying to organize my mom's kitchen a little bit because it's like literally organized chaos in here. So I'm just trying to organize it a little bit better and clean it a little bit, give it a dust off, and yeah, just make so we can reach things a little bit easier and get it packed away and organized again. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's continue with the video.
It's Christmas Eve, and I've still got nothing for you. I'm out on a last minute spree, hoping to find that something that makes you see that I love you.
I've been out running all day, nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to every corner of this godforsaken mall. What in the world would be that something that made you see that I love you?
All I've got to give for Christmas is this: a Christmas kiss. Close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. Your Christmas
It's something no one else is getting.
It's something you won't be soon forgetting. It's something we can share and take with us anywhere. All I've got to give for Christmas is.
I just wanted to show you quickly how full my mom's cupboards are. So this is the one cupboard, and this is the other cupboard. So if you're wondering why is the salt and pepper not being put away, why is this stuff all over here, it's because there's no more space in the cupboard. And there's two problems: one, lack of storage, and two, too much stuff. My mom will tell you it's lack of storage. I will tell you it's too much stuff because I'm a minimalist. The coconut oil doesn't belong in the cupboard. It just kind of stays there. That's its home. That's where it belongs. I've just had to make peace with that's how it is for now. That's my living situation for now. So I just kind of had to make peace with it, and I'm just trying to embrace it. So yeah, I'm just trying to live with it. Okay. So I'm gonna try and organize a little bit and then keep cleaning.
A Christmas kiss. So close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. All I've got for Christmas is this, a Christmas kiss. So close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. Your Christmas kiss. Christmas kiss.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on.
So yeah guys, this is basically the after result. Everything is nice and clean. Maybe it doesn't look like it, but it is organized chaos. Especially that part over there and this part over here. But yeah, everything is clean, packed away as much as possible, organized.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
Alright guys, I've just finished tidying up the kitchen and the living room a little bit. Now I'm just gonna set up my room for the live stream. Normally I come switch on the light and then I take my headband to put on, but then I usually throw this green blanket off the bed because I just wanted to show the blue blanket, and then I straighten out the blue blanket. I add the red pillow to give that Christmassy vibe. Oh, fix up pillows. Okay. Alright. And then I remove this stuff so there's nothing hanging on the cupboard doors. And yeah, that's it. It's a mess right now. Like, look, there's all that stuff, but you guys don't see that because my phone goes here, so you guys only see this side. So the bed is all neat and the Christmas background, that blanket behind there you don't see. So yeah, that's basically how I come to set up the live stream. So I'm ready for the live stream. Oh guys, I'm sweating, but yeah, just waiting for my hubby to come home to see what we're gonna have for dinner.